Hi, welcome back to my development log. This is a compilation of weeks 4 and 5 of development. So if we go back to 2 weeks ago, we can see I started working on charging attacks. I made the enemies easier, quality of life pausing, yeah, just a lot of quality of life bug fixing, making the game feel better. And in the past 2 weeks, I've worked on making it more interesting. So I added a new charged effect for the sword. So now if you don't attack for a set amount of time, it shoots a wind projectile which does some damage and it destroys enemy projectiles. I added a cooldown bar so you can see your cooldowns now, bug fixes, and then I finished the cooldown system. I made my first ability, which is a charged gun effect, and currently what I'm working on is the charge effect for that gun. So if we hop in right now, you can see that there's nothing here, but when I attack, I shoot this wind projectile, and if you can see in the bottom, there's two blue squares. The one on the left is my swinging attack. The one on the right is for the air projectile. So as you can see, once that goes away, I can use it, but if I keep swinging my sword, it resets the timer. And as you can see, it can destroy the enemy goldfish. So my first ability is if you right click, you shoot a bullet. I'm not sure if you can see it well, but it's a tiny little orange thing. You can see the cooldown. But this is where it gets fancy. If you charge, your character flashes, and then bam, shotgun. So I'll grab this health upgrade. As you can see, my health went up. That's also something for later. But look, one charge equals 2 shots. If you hold it for 2 seconds, it shoots a sniper, which is faster, more damage. And then if you charge for 3, it shoots the shotgun. And as you could, I don't know if you could tell well, but I did this little quality of life thing where all the projectiles, their mouse is based on the character. So like it's gonna always shoot towards your mouse based on your character. So if you hold it back, as you can see, this blue square is where they used to spawn, and that's where they used to be calculated from. So if you had your mouse behind, like where the sword is, it would shoot the projectiles backwards, and that wasn't good. So fix that. And as you can see, my health, I took that upgrade for 115, and now if we reload the scene, you'll see I start with 115, and it loaded that upgrade. I currently have an issue where if you get the upgrade again, it breaks everything, but I'm going to make sure that once you get an upgrade, it removes it from the pool, preventing that kind of, like, errors from happening. By the way, this kill data button in the bottom just resets the upgrades because I didn't have any way before, so you don't have to worry about that. So, yeah. Another small thing I can show quickly is, let me kill these enemies quickly. Is this obliteration. It's just a test upgrade, but as you can see, when I get to my shotgun, it shoots a lot of bullets. I made this one to test functionality, but I have one more upgrade I can show if I kill the data, and then win the enemy stage quickly. Is I have the ability to change my projectiles completely. So I'm getting unlucky with the amount of enemies that spawn, but like if I can quickly do it all, there, it's called air shooty. If you can see, if I go to my shotgun now, it shoots wind the charged projectile instead. So that's just another test for my functionality to make sure everything works. That's everything I did in the past 2 weeks, and I hope you stick along for the ride. Bye.